Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Davis, Chief Operating Officer, Livingstone College. Today is going great. Listen, we are a mask community. I just took off my mask, all right, so that I can conduct this interview. Listen, things are going well today. As you can see all around us, Livingstone College is prepared. We spoke to a parent earlier this morning, and this parent said to us that we have over-prepared, if there is such thing. One of the things that we have done differently as we executed our protocols, we definitely deployed a testing protocol that is unique. We're testing every single student before they are allowed to move into the residence hall. We tested every faculty member, every staff member, because we're trying to find that asymptomatic spreader within our community. We're containing the community. We recognize that we don't have a cure for COVID on the campus of Livingstone College, but we do have protocols that will mitigate our risk and reduce the possible spread of COVID-19 on our campus. Today has been great. If you look around, we're testing our students. Students are moving in. We're keeping our social distancing. And guess what? This is a great day to be a Blue Bear. We'll see you soon. Hurry up. Come on to Salisbury. We can't wait to see you.